man where we dey. We dey from king where we dey. We be honorable where we dey. I say we dey from boss where we dey. We be chairman where we dey. We dey from king where we dey. We be honorable where we dey. Tell me, who on the front bus?
You want to keep disturbing me? You don't want me to film this video, huh? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ella Smith. If you're new to my channel, hit on the red button to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, we will be unboxing my ring light, softbox light, and my reflector. So let's get into this video. First thing I'll be showing you is my reflector, 5-in-1 reflector. I'll be putting the link down below if you want to get it. So guys, this is so cheap. I got it from eBay. Yeah. So, and it came in this bag. Woo! I'm so excited about this video. Like, this is my first unboxing video and I'm so excited. Oh, it's so big. It's big. I never expected it to be this big. Wow. So, white part, this white, the gold, the black, and the silver. Yes. I think I like this silver more. It gives this light to my face. It came in this huge box. Guys, see what's inside. Just pack it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Whee! Okay, let's turn it so it's the neewer ring light. Guys, how do you see? 2 soldiers like mine. Gold and diamond. They are so filter. If you kind of want the filter, the sunny look, not the white, yeah. So the first thing that is inside is the umbrella. I don't know what to call this, but it's the umbrella. Yeah. And the filter. Yeah, I think it's the filter. Guys, don't come for me. I don't know what it's called. The bulb, the light. This is so huge. This is big. Wow. Let me put this here. Another light. And so guys, this is with the 3 light and my reflector, and I don't know if you can see. I know you can see the shadow, the light. This gives me more light. When the light reflects to the reflector and it reflects to my face, I don't know if that makes sense. So, and I'll be showing you how this light, how it looks without the light. One softbox light is off and the other softbox light is off, and yeah, the ring light is off. So you can see this is just window light, my natural light. Don't mind my son. This is just my window light, and I'll be showing you how this ring lights look. Wait. This is so bright. Okay, I have to film with my son today. So this is the highest and this is the lowest. This is the highest and this is the highest and this is the lowest. So, and my softbox lights. This is from my right hand, my right, yeah, and from my left, yeah. You see how it's the changes, you see how it's look. So I will not be putting my phone in this ring light because it's kind of too far. When I'm doing my makeup, I can't zoom in, so it's not a camera. And I have yeah, that I will be using for my phone on top of my table. So guys, I really love this light. Don't forget, I will be putting the link of everything I bought in the description box below. So if you like this video, give mama a huge thumbs up. Give mama a huge thumbs up and subscribe, like the video, in the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload any new video. So guys, I am loving this light.
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick.